Fáilte everyone, and you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Jason, and in today's video what we're going to be doing is Babylon by David Gray, so let's get into this banger. Okay, so for this song there are a couple of chords we're going to need. We need a D chord, we need a G chord, we need an E minor, and we need an A chord. If you know those chords, skip ahead to where we get into the song. If not, stick with me here and I'll quickly show you how to play them now. So we have D, which is first, which is the second box, G string and little E string, and in the third box it's the B string. And when you strum, you only hit the bottom four strings. Next we have a G chord, so second box, fifth string or A string, third box, big E string and little E string, and strum all the strings. Next it's your A chord, so in the second box, all together, D, G and B. And then your E minor chord, so E minor is in the second box as well, 5 and 4, A and D together. So that's your D, G, A, and E minor. Okay, those are the chords we're going to need. Let's get into the song. Okay guys, this is an easy version of the song, so there's no tab, there's no introduction. We're just going to do the strumming version of the song, maybe with a little strumming at the start, and then you go straight into it. So we start off in a D chord, and the strum pattern is going to be down, pause, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. So it's a standard 4-beat strumming pattern, nice and slow the whole way through. Well, slow depending on how fast you play it. You want to start off slow with this until you get the strumming right, and then you can speed up as fast as you want to. So a D, down, pause, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. And then into a G chord, down, pause, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. So you play that twice, D, G, just as an introduction to the song, and then you start singing along with the verse with the same chords, D, G. So it's D, down, pause, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. G, down, pause, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. Okay, and that works perfect for the verse. So that would be the at night I'm going nowhere, all the lights are changing from green to red. Okay, now the way he breaks up the first two verses is he puts into E minor chords with the same strumming, just E minor down, pause, down and up, down, pause, up, down, pause, down and up, down, pause, up, down, up. So you have your introduction, D, G. You have your verse, which is that played 4 times. Then he breaks up verse 1 and verse 2 with E minor, full strum pattern, and then a full verse again, D, G, 4 times. And that takes you through the introduction, verse 1, little instrumental break, and verse 2, and then it goes straight into the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus starts off with a D. So it's D, A, E minor, A, D, A, E minor, G. Same strumming pattern, but this is where the song starts to build. So instead of going pause, up, you can do a down, up at the end. Just adding in that extra strum really lets you build on the rhythm. So it's down, pause, down, and up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, pause, down, up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, down, up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, down, up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the part. If you want it, won't you come and get it? Crying out loud. The love that I was giving you was never written down. Okay, easy as that. That's the pre-chorus that leads you into the chorus, which you want to belt out, and we'll cover now. So the chorus is just 4 chords repeated over and over again 4 times, just like the verse. Well, it's 4 times for the first chorus and the second chorus, but then at the end when he continuously just sings over and over again, you just repeat it twice. That's what I do anyway, so it helps play along the song. You have your D, A, E minor, and A. Same strum pattern as the pre-chorus. Down, pause, down, and up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, A. Down and up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. Down and up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, A. Down and up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then sometimes when I'm changing chords, I hit that first drum a little louder. Okay, but that is up to you, that's your style, however you want to do the strums. This is just a basic 4-beat strum pattern that helps you play along with the chords and keep rhythm for the whole thing while you sing. Now, this is designed to be backing just for your vocals, because when you strum on a guitar and you are playing a song for someone, they won't recognize the song unless you sing along or you play a solo or riff or something else that is in the song. So if you're just doing strumming, it is just for backing up vocals or backing up the song. Now you can play along with a cover of the song using these chords, it fits in nicely, but I just mess around with them, put the capo on any way I like. So the song layout is intro, D, G, verse, D, G, D, G 4 times, E minor in between, and then verse 2, same as verse 1. Pre-chorus, D, A, E minor, E, D, A, E minor, A, D, A, E minor, G, and then straight into the chorus where it is D, A, E minor, A 4 times. Now, after that, he likes to repeat the words Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. And that is just the same as the verse. D, G, down, pause, down, down, up, down, pause, up, down, up. And that's it. So you repeat that just once or twice, depending on how many times you say Babylon. Then at the very, very end of the song, where he likes to blast it out, I just played it an additional few times. And it also works well as your outro as well, just finishing on a D strum as your outro. So for the chorus, if you were to play it into the Babylon section, it would go a little something like this. From there, you can go straight back into verse number 3, chorus number 2, and then the Babylon section again. But guys, that is it for this song. Thanks for sending in those requests, because I love this song. I actually perform this at my gigs because it's just so easy playing. It's a real crowd pleaser. But yeah, keep those comments coming in, keep those suggestions in as well. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram to see what songs I'll be uploading, also to see what shenanigans I do get up to during the week, because who knows what happens. But thanks for stopping by. If you like that video, hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.